Welcome to the ESET Home Security tutorial series. Today, we'll walk you through activating identity protection, available with your ESET Home Security Ultimate subscription. Let's get started. Activation is easy. Log into your ESET Home account at home.eset.com. Once logged in, open the Security Features link in the bottom left-hand corner of ESET Home. Here, you'll find a list of all available features. Please note, only the subscription owner can activate identity protection. If the owner shares a subscription seat with you, this feature will not be available. To activate, select Identity Protection and then click Explore Feature. For security purposes, you'll need to set up a password within ESET Home instead of logging in through platforms like Google or Apple, and enable 2FA. If you haven't set up a password or enabled 2FA, don't worry. We will guide you through these steps. During activation, please enter the following fields to be monitored: first name, last name, street, city, zip code, and country. Then click Activate. Once everything is set up, we'll notify you if we detect anything suspicious or that needs your attention. Your identity protection feature allows you to monitor up to 10 email addresses. Please note that the email used to create your ESET Home account is automatically added for monitoring. You can add up to 9 additional emails for a total of 10. These extra emails can be updated or removed at any time, but the original ESET Home account email remains unchanged. That's it. You are now protected. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. We've prepared many other tutorials on how to download and install your protection. Check them out on our channel. Thank you for choosing ESET Home Security.
ESET Digital Security. Progress. Protected.